Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in for our Oura Ring 4 vs. UltraHuman Ring series of reviews. Please check out the description below for the additional videos where we talk about an assortment of different things about these rings. Anyway, in my hand here are two size 11 rings. Oura Ring 4, UltraHuman. Let's talk about build quality, comfort, and a few other things, size, etc. Without question, I don't say without question, but the Oura Ring 4 is a little bit more comfortable. It's a little more rounded, just feels a little bit better. It is metal all the way around. This is a pretty clever thing that Oura Ring decided to do, but basically the entire enclosure is titanium with just effectively like little cutouts for the sensors. I might try to get some B-roll if it doesn't show up too well on the camera there, but anyway, just with little cutouts of the sensors. Love that there's a little notch there in the bottom of the ring to indicate where you always need to keep it. Because what I find myself doing with the UltraHuman Ring constantly is because in the UltraHuman Ring, the only spot where the sensors exist is at the very bottom here where there's like this little hump. I find myself constantly having to take the ring off to try to feel where that little hump is and then slide it back on. And inevitably these rings do shift, you know, through your day-to-day while you're sleeping, etc. So the little cutout there that Oura Ring decided to put in there was excellent. The Oura Ring is, you know, the specs on these websites are a little off. Both size measurements and weights and stuff are not actually indicative of their true specs. So rather than go into the advertised specs of these things, I will just simply say that the Oura Ring 4 is a little more comfortable because it is a little bit more like rounded out. Just feels like like it glides a little bit better, kind of like it blends in slightly better on the hand. The UltraHuman feels fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It doesn't really get in the way any more than like any other ring does. But just in all, you know, I don't know, anecdotal opinions, the Oura Ring 4 does just feel a little bit better. Last, let's talk about build quality. Aside from just simply the fact that this is a full titanium enclosure. UltraHuman Ring, by the way, has the metallic outside, and then they have the epoxy inside, or resin, whatever. Basically, the plastic where you can kind of see all the components. Very similar to the Oura Ring 3. Anyway, build quality. I have gone through, I believe, 3, maybe 4, but 3 of these UltraHuman rings due to bad batteries. With that said, UltraHuman's customer service is fast, responsive, no BS. They've sent out new rings, no problem at all. The Oura Ring 4 so far has been pretty flawless with its battery. Obviously, time will tell how that continues. But their customer service is atrocious. I had an issue with setting up the app. Haven't heard anything back from them on that. And I'm having an issue with the little charging puck. I had to buy a spare. Haven't heard anything back from them on that. So customer service from Oura Ring is absolutely horrible. So it's a little bit weird, but you maybe get slightly better build quality with the Oura, but you should put more of your faith and trust into the customer service of UltraHuman. Last but not least, both rings scratch like hell. Do not get these and expect them to last and look like, you know, new forever. The rings are going to scratch and look like trash pretty quickly on. That said, titanium has a way to sort of patina and just kind of look, you know, good as it gets beat up. It's kind of like an old, you know, Swiss watch, an Omega, whatever. But there you have it. That is the Oura Ring 4 versus the UltraHuman Air. Build quality and design. Please like and subscribe, and please check out the other videos in this series to see which ring you should buy yourself. Oh, by the way, in terms of the build quality, design, and all that other stuff, obviously, yes, I give the Oura Ring 4 as the winner.